Hi, I'm Eddie Wilson. Welcome to my week one presentation on why resonate. The first question is, like Benjamin Zander, the best presenters convey their passions and authentic personalities when they present. What natural qualities and passions do you hope to convey to others through your speech? What is your presentation style? Natural qualities and passions that I hope to display through my speech are articulation, empathy, and confidence. And here are some reasons why. Articulation. I feel like it is important to be able to articulate your message so that way people can clearly understand what you're trying to say. Empathy. I think it is important to have a connection with your audience so that way they can see that you understand some things they may be going through or what might be running through their head. And confidence. Uh, I think that if you're not confident in what you say, then your audience won't be confident in the things that you say. Uh, as far as my presentation style, I like to say explanatory. I think that this is partly due to my military background. I currently serve active duty military, and I often have to combine facts with storytelling. This is so that I can convey my point to my superiors, and my subordinates. Next question is, what does it mean to resonate? Have you failed to resonate in the past when communicating with others? What can you do this month to learn to resonate when you present? In our textbook, Resonate, present visual stories that transform audience states resonance occurs when an object's natural vibration or frequency to an external stimulus of the same frequency. Uh, to me, this means that the speaker must effectively communicate with their audience. I feel like in the past there's been times when I've failed to resonate with every member of the audience. I think this is due to the differences in the way that people receive information. I once read a book called The Five Languages of Love, and it basically talked about how different people respond to different acts of emotion in the way that they respond to love. And I think the same goes with communication. One person may respond to physical teaching, meaning that they learn by seeing things done, or I'm sorry, not seeing things. They learn by touching different things. One person may be an audio learner. They learn by hearing. And I think it is the same thing when you talk about communication. The next question was, what is the difference between the selfish approach to presentations Duarte covers in Chapter 1, an audience-centered approach? What are you planning to do this month to move away from selfish presentation and toward a presentation effective for an audience? When asked about the differences of the two approaches, it should almost go without saying. The selfish approach focuses on the presenter. To me, these presentations are the most boring because from my experience, when somebody is going to tell you about themselves or their company, that's stuff that you can Google or look at on a company's website. To be audience focused is to have the audience involved in your message, and I think that is important. It keeps the audience involved, and it allows them to go along with the presenter and maybe participate in discussion or things that will keep their attention. The next question was, a great presentation is like a three-legged stool composed of a message, visual story, and delivery. Which leg of the presentation are you the strongest in? Which legs need the most work? The leg that I feel like I'm the strongest in is the message. I feel like it is easy for me to deliver a message because of my presence. Effective communication is a big part of my everyday job, so I've been accustomed to delivering a clear and concise message. I often have to tell my soldiers, what we have to do, why we have to do it, and how to get it done. And I expect them to be able to take my message and get that job done in a timely manner and to standard. So that's why I feel like that way. Uh, with that, I know that I need work on my delivery. I say this because, as I stated earlier, it is difficult to connect with every member of an audience. So if I can find a way to connect with every member of the audience, I feel like this would give me a complete set of communication skills. Uh, to me, when I think about a person who resonates with me the most, I think about my business partner and feature artist on my record label, CJ Emulus. I say this because he is a gifted speaker who always connects with the audience. He is knowledgeable on the subjects he speaks on. He's confident, and his professional demeanor is unparalleled. For him, communication is natural. I believe that if I can improve my communication to be as good as his, I will just be just fine. Again, I'm Eddie Wilson. This has been my week one discussion post. Thank you for listening. Signing out.